Alright, so guys, this is a practical example on how you actually make money online. Now, there are two main ways to make money online. It's either you're going to sell a product or you're going to partner with a company and you promote their product to earn a commission. Affiliate marketing in short, right? So again, you don't have to worry about inventory. You just promote and earn. Now, in this example, I'll highlight the benefit as well as the risk with affiliate marketing. So this video that you're looking at, how to transfer money from PayPal to Jamaica. This video was published on June 13, 2021. And a big problem Jamaicans face is transferring money from their PayPal account to their local bank account. Now, at that point in time, the best option available was Wise. And I went through the steps step by step on how you can get this done. Since the video was published, as you can see here, it has received 65,000 views and I would have earned $160.28, right? And this is for the lifetime of the video. Now the thing here is that I had partnered with Wise. So once I make a successful referral and the customer use Wise, right, to make a transfer to their bank account or whatever, I would earn £10 or $10 depending on the referral link which was used. The platform you're watching from this video was taken from my Udemy course, Creating Passive Income Online from the Caribbean. The link will be in the description of this video. So let's go back to what I was talking about. Now, and as you can see from that example, you can make money online by selling courses. As you can see, I have several courses on Udemy. So again, all these you'll learn in this course. So let's look at Partnerize, which allowed me to partner with Wise. Now I've generated this report from January 1st, 2023 to the 29th of February 2024, right? Even though I've partnered with them from say 2021, I could only select a limited time frame, so I can always go back and show 2021. But I'm just going to show you the difference in income, right? So let's go to January 2023 on my YouTube channel. So we're going to go to custom. So I'm going to expand, select custom. So it's 23 and we are looking for 0101, right? Apply, and the end date was February 2024. So that's going to be, I think it was the 29th. Now let's apply. So for the same period on YouTube, I would have earned only $69, right? And let's look on 86 pounds. Let's convert that to USD. So that would have worked out to 64,000 Jamaican dollars. And in US dollars, it's approximately 404. So you see the big difference. So even though I'm earning from AdSense, I went ahead and partnered with Wise. And once I have a successful referral, I would have earned $10 or £10, right? I could have earned both depending on the referral link which was used. Now, what would have impacted the earnings here is that there would have been competition in terms of other creators creating similar videos on how to withdraw money from, say, PayPal to Jamaican bank account. And the other thing that impacted this video was that Wise no longer accepted Jamaicans. I'm not sure which year this happened, but if you looked, the revenue started decline. And if you look on Partnerize as well, you see where the revenue steadily declined. So let me do another custom reports. Let's say from 2022. Let's try go to January 2022. Okay, January 1st. And we're going to go to December 2022. Right, so December 31st. Now let's apply. Let's scroll down on the earnings. And as you can see here for that year, I would have earned £361. So I believe the average earnings would have been around £360 or £350. And if we look at the similar time period on YouTube, so let's go custom again. So it was 2022. Like my memory is so bad. It was it 2022? Right. Date is wrong there. No, my end date is wrong. So let's go custom again. 2022. And it would have been the 31st. So it's from January 1st to December 29, 2002, I would have earned only 70. Now on platforms like Partnerize, there are many companies that you can partner with and earn. Likewise Impact, right? And all you need to do is really solve a problem with the product. So you're not going to want to pick up a random company unless you understand what they're doing. Now, one of the key things with affiliate marketing, right, is solving a problem with a product or service that you're already familiar with. And once you get a hang of that, then you can probably branch out into other stuff to learn their software and promote it. Now, on top of this, again, the company can also reach out to you and sponsor your videos. So if you look on YouTube, in terms of say Wise Transfer, you'll see a lot of creators promoting it. Now, another disadvantage, once there's competition, it's hard to stand out, right? But again, look at this unique situation which I was able to carve out and earn from. I targeted Jamaicans only. And not only Jamaicans would have benefited, then you'd have people from the Caribbean, like Trinidadians, Bajans, Guyanese, right? So I became specific in terms of carving out my little niche. So if I'm going out there and say, hey, how to sign up or create an account with Wise, based on the number of videos, I may only get 3 views and that's it. So you have to find your unique way to present the product to drive referrals. So once you apply the knowledge from this course, you should be able to start earning money online. And again, when you start, you may not be making the big bucks, but however, over time with consistency, you'll be able to generate a substantial income. So if you find yourself in a position where you're applying for jobs and no matter what you try, you're not getting any form of interview, what you need to do is create your own income. And one way to do this is through affiliate marketing and content creation. Just like I demonstrated in this video, it doesn't get any easier than that. However, it takes time, patience, and consistency. So the same 8 hours that you would get up, go to work for somebody else. This is now your work time for you to put content and partner with companies and make your own money. Again, what you can achieve in 5 years' time doing all of this consistently for 5, 10, 16 years, you will never be able to achieve that from a 9 to 5 because your income is capped. Okay, Wise no longer accept Jamaican, but there are many software out there. Look in the Google App Store or Play Store, whichever you use. Search for apps. Partner with those apps. You don't have to sit around and wait for brand deals, Guys, I'm giving you the cheat code. It's up to you to use it. And the cool thing about all of this, right? If you're camera shy, you realize you're not seeing me on camera. You're not. However, this video is going to go on and earn a few little cents from Google AdSense. And as you can see from the previous video, over time, it adds up. That's it for now. Let's jump on to the next module.